Sofia is the capital of Bulgaria with a long history dating back to the 8th century BCE. The Romans arrived and conquered around the 29th century BCE. It flourished during the reign of the Emperor Trajan, 98 to 117, and reached its greatest height under the Emperor Constantine the Great, in 342 or 343. Attila and the Huns, the Ottomans and the Russians all had their time in Sofia. Still today they are finding Roman ruins from their time in Sofia.
Sofia is a mix of pre-communist influence with beautiful buildings and the communist influence of, let's say, drab earthy tone buildings. Although not part of the USSR, it held a very close relationship with Russia.
The Monastery of St. John of Rila, also known as Rila Monastery, is the largest and most famous Eastern Orthodox monastery in Bulgaria. It is situated in the southwestern Rila Mountains, 117 kilometers south of the capital Sofia in the deep valley of the Rilska River at an elevation of 1,147 meters above sea level, inside of Rila Monastery Nature Park and in close vicinity of the Rila Monastery Forest Nature Reserve. The monastery is named after its founder, the hermit Saint Ivan of Rila, 876 to 946 AD, and houses approximately 60 monks. The monastery is a popular pilgrimage site for many Orthodox Christians. Founded in the 10th century, Rila Monastery is regarded as one of Bulgaria's most important cultural, historical, and architectural monuments and is a key tourist attraction for both Bulgaria and Southern Europe for religious tourists. In 2008 alone it attracted 900,000 visitors. The monastery is depicted on the reverse of the 1 lev banknote issued in 1999.